Looks perfect in my eyes. Literally perfect. Yeah, guys, I'm in love. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, I'm obviously in the Q50, so I'm gonna go ahead and install, well, I would say the first actual mod. I know this car does have like a muffler delete, but I don't know, I kind of don't really consider that a mod. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install the first mod, which is a mod that I bought a couple weeks ago. I bought some springs that were listed as RSO, what the heck? RSR super down springs. And yeah, like I bought them or whatever, and when I got home, the box said the regular down sus or whatever, and even the springs said it. The guy that I bought them off of said that they were super downs, this and that. It really lowered my car. He sent me pictures of it, and I mean, it looks pretty low. So at the same time, I didn't really complain because I got them for a steal, so I didn't really care. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them, and if I don't really like them, worst case scenario, I'll just probably buy some coilovers down the road. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and pull up and install these things. Alright guys, so before the car gets lowered, here's a before and after. See how it looks. Alright guys, the first rear is done. Oh, it's still up on the other side, huh? Oh yes, way better. Wow, I actually didn't think it was gonna lower it that much. Perfect. Oh, it turns out both of the rears are done. I thought it was only one. Slammed. Now time to do the fronts. Alright guys. Oh yes. Dude, this thing looks, what the, I didn't think it was gonna look this good. Oh hell yeah, that's perfect.
Stands changes the look, man, on any car.
Perfect, bro. Perfect for a daily driver. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I don't know how, but we ended up in the canyon. I mean, I do know how. I used to come here when I was a little kid, but we ended up in the little canyon. We're in the Q. Whoa. Oh, not eco, sport. I love this car. You guys, it's currently 96 degrees. I have the windows up, no AC. You guys better give me 30,000 views. No, I'm just kidding. I wish it was empty right here. It'd be perfect. Damn, it's sounding good. Honestly, this isn't going to be a good canyon run video, but that's why I won't call it a canyon run video. I'll just add it to the lowering spring video. Yeah guys, I'll probably take this car to the canyons. It felt pretty fun right there. Imagine when it's open, I'm pretty sure the car's handle good in the canyons. With that being said, oh, actually let's hit this curb first, then I'll turn it off. Okay, turning the AC back on, and I'm turning the GoPro off. I'll pick it up once I am home, because I do want to install, oh, what the f, those donkeys, bro? Hell yeah, what's up? That is so dope. Oh, another one. What the? Whoa! I want to record this. So I actually just got a new carbon fiber piece for the Infinity for my Q50. Here it is. A little carbon fiber wing. Looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I definitely didn't expect to get a wing as my first actual mod. Well, I mean, I have those springs inside, so this is my second one, but alright, so a little backstory to this, this is why I said it's a super random video. So a couple months back, my mom actually found this on our yard. She's like, hey, did you order a part, or did you forget a part outside? And I was like, what are you talking about? So she sent me a picture, and it's a carbon fiber piece, and I was like, what the, like, obviously not. Like, I checked it, like, it was small. I thought it was from like a Corolla or something. I don't know like where it came from, to be honest. I don't know if somebody dropped it off like on purpose. I don't know. Point is, I just put it away. I was planning on selling it or something. And right now, my girl was like, "Hey, let's go check if it fits on the Q50." And I was like, "Okay." And we come, and bro, it literally fits perfect. It actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm actually gonna put it on. It's like free, bro, and it looks pretty good. So thank you to whoever forgot it or left it on my yard for whatever reason. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store and buy some 3M tape and just put it on. This is actually motivating me, guys, to install the springs. I don't know if I want to though, because like I said, they're not the ones that I thought I bought. But it should still give it a good drop, and with that and the springs, it should look pretty good. So let's go ahead and buy some 3M tape and install this thing. It looks pretty good though, bro. I can't stop staring at it. I came to the realization that, because I was talking to my girlfriend and I was like, I've never been the type to like add a spoiler without the car being actually modified, like lowered, for example. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the springs first, then I'll install this, because I feel like a spoiler on a stock car, how can I say this? An aftermarket spoiler on a stock car looks kind of right to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait. But that's pretty dope, guys. Like free spoiler, like sick. And this carbon fiber, let's go. All right, guys, I came to O'Reilly's for some double-sided tape for the wing. And guys, let me tell you guys, I am in love, completely in love with the look of the car. I'm starting to think they were RSR Super Downs. They lower it a good amount. Looks perfect in my eyes, literally perfect. I'm in love, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this double-sided tape so I could put the wing on. Let's go inside. Alright guys, I think this should do the trick. It's a little thin, but at the same time the wing isn't that big, so I think it's actually perfect. Actually, if there's a thicker one, it'd be better. Alright guys, so I ended up getting this one instead. I've used this one once, I think, for a spoiler or for a lip, I don't remember. But this is the Gorilla 15-pound mounting tape. Before you guys ask what I used to install the wing, is gonna be this. Should be good enough. And now I'm at Baker's. You guys live in Southern California, specifically I think the Inland Empire. I'm not sure if LA has Baker's, but this is like the bombest burgers ever. The only ones that I think are bomber, or like they're like right there, is In-N-Out. Other than that, I think these are probably the bombest burgers ever. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and put some tape. There's some holes in it, so I'm assuming it's supposed to be drilled, but you know, I don't drill into my stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some tape along the sides, and that should be solid with just that. Let's go ahead and tape it up. Alright guys, so the tape is on. So the roll that I got, I just had enough for pretty much like the long ways, the top part, I'm sorry, of the wing. I put one right here, another one over here. It should be enough, more than enough, I hope. We'll find out. It plays off on the freeway right now. Anyways, so I'm pretty much a one-man team, so I'm gonna just install this and I'll just record once it's done. Here's the before and it's on. Oh my goodness, guys, for a free wing that I randomly found on my yard, this is freaking amazing. Carbon fiber. Yeah, it's not like brand new, but for free, bro, all day. Perfect. The car looks completely different. Now I'm just gonna go take some pictures so I could probably show to you guys on the gram today. Well, yesterday for you guys, today for me. And I feel kind of weird though, because all of my Instagram posts have literally been this car. The previous day I had the G37, I never posted it, obviously, because it was always stock. This one I've only posted it like once when I bought it. It has a few mods on it. I think it is just a little Instagram post. Yeah guys, I'm in love. The ride height is perfect, to be honest. The wing is good. Like now, like I want to drive this car even more. Car's freaking perfect, guys. So I ended up actually having to take it off like twice after I stuck it on, because the fitment wasn't good. But looks like we're solid. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Hope not, at least. If it does, well, I mean, it was a free wing anyways.
8:01 p.m.
Alright guys, I'm picking up the camera after about, I don't know how many hours, pretty much on my way home now. Yeah guys, I mean, I'm in love with the car. Honestly, I did not think that was going to be that good of a drop. Like I said, I was thinking about setting them because the sticker says and the box said it was regular down sus. But that's what the guy said, like, oh, like the person that sold it to him said they were super downs and they lowered the car a lot. Look, I don't know, like if anybody, if you guys have like super downs, I don't know if they lower it more, and if you guys have the down sus and this is the exact same like height, but either way, this is a perfect height for me. Like, this is a daily driver. I'm not trying to be scraping everywhere. It's pretty decent fitment. Once I add some wheels, probably some spacers if I need it, I know it'll be perfect. So overall, I'm very, very happy with the look on the car. And if you guys need somebody to lower your car, go ahead and hit my boy at Cali Drop Services. His ass right here. Amazing work and pretty good prices, I'm not gonna lie. His work speaks for itself. I was in and out of there. Before I go home, give you guys a little pull. That's probably one of my favorite things about this car, guys, the downshifts. You know, I haven't done a dig, I don't think, in a while. Okay, Q50, chirping third.